Hello my fellows, this is Blessy Macam and welcome back to Blessy's Vlog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a birthday decoration at home. And now we are here in Sufli, Bahrain. This is where we are going to make a birthday decoration. We have reached the place and we're already inside the house. First and foremost, we will fix this cloth, or we will arrange this cloth as a curtain to cover up the window. While we are doing this, the resident of the house asked us, because he wants to know how did we hang the curtain. But it's okay because we made it sure that we don't damage the wall. We only use cable tie to attach it with the existing curtain tube. While Kuya Mike is doing that, I can now start to inflate the balloons. Eventually, he joined with me. By the way, it is his first time to inflate a foil balloons. Because the last time we did was, I inflated it from home and brought it ready to the venue. So, if we do foil balloons, always see to it that you don't put too much pressure, because otherwise it will burst. You can just do it slowly and carefully. We need to keep on inflating because we need to have quite much of balloons, and that would be enough for making 3 columns or 3 balloon columns or 3 balloon stands. Then later, if we have enough, then we will do one for left and one for right, and another one to put on top. And so there it goes. So ito na yung magka-partner na logo, dalawang puti at dalawang magkaibang shade ng pink. Pagsasamahin lang yan, iikutin. At ang gagawin naman, ipapatong na siya ng ganito. So gamit ang ating tali. Dapat opposite yung one. Ganyan siya, ganyan. Opposite. Okay? Spiral to, kaya hanapin mo yung nakasunod. Yung sa pangatong patong. Next. Arrange the balloons according to spiral appearance or spiral arrangement. It means every time that you put the balloons, you have to make sure that you follow the color combination or color coordination. In other words, you have to follow the color sequence. Yeah, and to make it in spiral appearance. It is always a big thing if you have someone to assist you, because there will be somebody who can help you and hand you with the things you need. To help you also to control the movements of the balloons. Of course, we should be independent and we can also do it alone, especially when we got used to it. But as God's word says, 2 hands are better than 1, or 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verses 9 and 10. By the way, the one that is with me is my husband, and he's my real life partner. I'm so blessed by God for giving me a very loving husband who always supports me and get along with me in every part of my life. Indeed, blessed are those who found a good husband, or I should say, blessed are those who was given a God-fearing man and loving to his wife. So, Shout out to all the happy wifeys and to all the lovely couples out there. Moving forward, we will now put this long balloon horizontally. This will be on top, but there is a hindrance up there. Yeah. Okay. So now it's already on top, but we have to find the sequence, or we have to follow the color sequence. Then after that, we have to fix and arrange the rest of the things so that the front design will be completed. Notice that the birthday banner is more appealing when it gets laminated. As you can see, there is a shiny effect and it reacts to the light. Please refer to the link on the description below to see how did I do this personalized birthday banner. Or you may see the full video displayed at the end of this video. This is where we struggle because the birthday letters would not fit whatever squeeze or adjustment we do. Then we figured out with a solution. We have to extend the length of the balloon on top, then we will adjust the left and right column to make it more wider because we need to provide more space between both sides so that the letters will finally fit in. Please don't skip ads. proceed to do a balloon edge centerpiece. You may also check my separate vlog on how to do a table centerpiece displayed at the end of this video, or you may see the link in the description below.
Parang layo.
Hindi, ganyan daw yung...
Sige, back na. Ay, bakit ganun yung girl? Walang girl. Okay, okay. You see? Okay. Yeah.
You want to change? You want to change it? Yeah, she wants to change it. It's ready. Sure, you can raise it. Oh! No chance.
Ikaw lagay mo?
I don't know if I can. You have the same thing. Okay. The problem is now.
Thank you for watching! If you like this video, I hope you will consider subscribing, like and share, and don't forget to click on notification bell so that I'll see you again on my next video. Stay safe everyone! God bless! Bye!